In this video, I'm going to show you how to bake this chocolate chip oatmeal cake. Let's get started. The recipe I got from my mom. Check out the recipe, get the ingredients, follow along, and you can make this too. It's actually really good. We're going to start this by boiling 1.5 cups of water. I'm also going to preheat the oven to 350. While I'm waiting for that water to boil, I'm going to grease a 9x13 cake pan. I have already washed my hands. If you don't like getting your hands in the vegetable shortening, you can use a piece of wax paper between your fingers and spread it on with that. Add a stick of butter and the oatmeal. Take it off the heat and mix it up. And we're going to let this sit until the butter melts. Okay, butter's melted. 2 eggs. No shells, just eggs. Mix those in. Add the remaining ingredients. There's 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 3/4 cups of flour, and a tablespoon of cocoa. 6 ounces of chocolate chips. Now we pour this into the pre-greased baking pan. Put it in the oven, 350 for 40 minutes. One thing I've learned over the years is it's better to clean as you go. One of the reasons people don't like to cook is because it makes a big mess in the kitchen. If you clean as you go, you don't have a big mess when you're done. And by the way, food always tastes better in a clean kitchen. I started this YouTube channel years ago for young men growing up without a dad, because that's how I grew up. There's a lot of challenges, especially at that time when you're entering adulthood. For those of you going through that, I want you to know you can figure out how to succeed as an adult. If you're growing up and your dad's not part of your daily life, go to maptomanhood.org. Download the free guide. The cake's not even baked yet, but the kitchen's already clean. All right, let's see how it looks. Take a wooden toothpick, put it in the middle, and look for any cake residue. And I'm not seeing any. All right, let's see how it turned out. Okay, man. Oh, you want some? Tastes good. Now you know how to bake oatmeal chocolate chip cake. Give it a try. Tell me how it goes for you in the comments. Always remember, you can still figure out how to succeed in life, even if your dad's not part of your daily life and you do have a dad that cares about you. And I'll see you on the next video.